So today I'm going to show you how to add watermark to your document on Microsoft Word. How to add a watermark on your document on Microsoft Word. It's something that is very simple and very easy to do. What you just have to go is go to the options over here, design. Then click on design. After clicking on design, you see the options, different options over here. Then you go to the watermark options. So as you can see there are different options here waiting for. But in case you want to customize it to what suits you, what you just have to do is click on custom watermark, click on it, then you click on if it's a picture watermark you want to use, you can select the picture watermark, then you select the picture. Or if it's a text watermark, you come over here, then you can tweak it to whatever text you need that you want it to be there. You can write okay, number, then you can choose the font for whatever it is, and just choose a different font. Just choose this font. Then the size, depending on whatever, you can leave it on auto so that it can do whatever it wants by itself. And choose the color. It could be black, it could be red. Just choose red. Then click on do you want diagonal or horizontal? Most times people always go for diagonal and click on okay. And then that's it. Your watermark has been added to your document. That's how simple it is. Nothing complex. Very easy to do. And that's just it. Thank you.